If you're dealing with an earwax buildup, you can remove it safely at home with the help of an ear bulb syringe. In this video, I'll run through a step-by-step guide that will show you how to do it safely and effectively in the comfort of your own home. Before we start, there are a group of people who really shouldn't be performing this procedure at home. It's strongly advised to consult your doctor beforehand if you fall into any of the following categories. You have a perforated eardrum, you are experiencing pain in the affected ear, you've recently had an ear infection, you exhibit symptoms of an ear infection such as pain or malodorous discharge, you possess only one functioning ear which happens to be the affected ear, or you have undergone previous ear surgery on the affected ear. So what items are required for the procedure? In order to carry out ear bulb syringing at home, you'll need the following items: olive oil or sodium bicarbonate eardrops, an ear bulb syringe. These are available in different sizes, but we recommend the larger size for better control, a jug of warm water. If you want to be accurate with water temperatures, you can use either a food grade thermometer or a specialty thermometer. You may also want to make sure that you've got a towel to hand and a collection device, which may be included in your set depending where you buy it, or alternatively you can use your sink or your shower or your bath. As our studio doesn't have a sink in the room, we'll be using a medical kidney dish for demonstration purposes. Preparing the ear for ear bulb syringing. To make ear bulb syringing easier and more effective, it's important to soften the oil dry wax. One way to do this is by placing 2 to 3 drops of either olive oil or sodium bicarbonate into the affected ear twice daily for 1 week. To ensure the drops reach all the way down, try massaging the tragus, which is the cartilaginous part in front of your ear. After a week of treatment, the wax in your ear will have softened, making ear bulb syringing easier and increasing the likelihood of success. Performing your ear bulb syringing. Before beginning, remember the golden rule. If you feel any pain before or during the process, cease immediately and consult your doctor for a review. So the first step is to fill a bowl with clean warm water that's not too hot. If you want to be precise about your temperatures, you could use a food thermometer or a specialty thermometer for an accurate reading, and you should be aiming for somewhere around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 37 degrees Celsius. Next, squeeze your bulb syringe underwater several times to fill it with warm water. Take your towel and place it on the shoulder of the same side as your affected ear. Tilt your head to one side so the affected ear faces upwards. You may choose to do this in the shower or bath to avoid any mess. Gently pull your ear upwards and outwards to allow water to flow freely into the ear canal. Carefully insert the nozzle into the entrance of the ear canal, making sure not to push it in too far. Then, use the bulb syringe to gently squirt water into the ear. Importantly, don't use any excessive force and make sure you don't push the tip of the syringe too far into the ear canal. Allow the water to remain in the ear for 1 to 3 minutes, as this will help soften any accumulated wax. Next, tilt your head over the sink to allow the water to drain out. Gently massage the outer portion of your ear to assist with the removal of the water and wax. You may repeat the process if necessary. If both ears are affected, repeat the process for the other ear. And you're done! Hopefully with this method you've removed the excess wax from your ears and you're feeling much better. If you're still experiencing issues, remember to speak to your doctor for further assessment.